मुझे अस्पताल जाना है। I need to go to the hospital. I need to go to the hospital. वह अभी मीटिंग में है। He is in a meeting right now. He is in a meeting right now. मुझे नहीं लगता कि यह आसान होगा। I don't think it will be easy. I don't think it will be easy. मुझे घर पहुंचने में देर हो जाएगी। I'll be late reaching home. I'll be late reaching home. वह यहाँ काम नहीं करता। He doesn't work here. He doesn't work here. खिड़की खोल दो। Open the window. Open the window. उन्होंने हमें नाश्ता कराया। They served us breakfast. They served us breakfast. मुझे अभी निकलना होगा। I have to leave now. I have to leave now. वह इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा है। He is trying to speak English. He is trying to speak English. तुम्हें डरने की जरूरत नहीं है। You don't need to be afraid. You don't need to be afraid. वे हमें पहचानते नहीं हैं। They don't recognize us. They don't recognize us. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता। I don't think so. I don't think so. तुम इतने चुप क्यों हो? Why are you so quiet? Why are you so quiet? आराम करो। Take rest. Take rest. क्या आप यहाँ पहली बार आए हैं? Are you here for the first time? Are you here for the first time? भावनाएं भी समझनी चाहिए। Emotions should also be understood. Emotions should also be understood. मैंने उससे कोई सवाल नहीं पूछा। I didn't ask him any question. I didn't ask him any question. शायद वह अब तक आ गया हो। Maybe he has arrived by now. Maybe he has arrived by now. आवाज कम करो। Lower the volume. Lower the volume. यह बहुत अच्छा अनुभव था। It was a great experience. It was a great experience. मौसम बहुत सुहाना है। The weather is very pleasant. The weather is very pleasant. उसकी लिखावट बहुत अच्छी है। His handwriting is very good. His handwriting is very good. वह बहुत तेज दौड़ता है। He runs very fast. He runs very fast. हम कब तक रुकेंगे? How long will we stay? How long will we stay? किसी को आंकना आसान नहीं होता। It's not easy to judge someone. It's not easy to judge someone. थोड़ा इंतजार करो। Wait a little. Wait a little. जो भी हो, सच बोलना जरूरी है। Whatever happens, telling the truth is important. Whatever happens, telling the truth is important. क्या यह तुम्हारा निर्णय है? Is this your decision? Is this your decision? जब तुम पढ़ते हो तब मैं टीवी देखता हूं। When you study, I watch TV. When you study, I watch TV. अंदर आ जाइए। Please come in. Please come in. मैं अभी निकल रहा हूं। I'm leaving now. I'm leaving now. मेरा पर्स खो गया है। I have lost my wallet. I have lost my wallet. यह जगह बहुत शांत है। This place is very peaceful. This place is very peaceful. मैं जानता था कि ऐसा होगा। I knew this would happen. I knew this would happen. मुझे कुछ दवाइयाँ खरीदनी हैं। I need to buy some medicines. I need to buy some medicines. यह खाना बहुत स्वादिष्ट है। This food is very tasty. This food is very tasty. उसकी आवाज बहुत मधुर है। Her voice is very sweet. Her voice is very sweet. मैंने नया फोन खरीदा है। I have bought a new phone. I have bought a new phone. क्या तुम्हें मेरी मदद चाहिए? Do you need my help? Do you need my help? हमें हर दिन कुछ नया सीखना चाहिए। We should learn something new every day. We should learn something new every day. वह हमेशा मुस्कुराता रहता है। He always keeps smiling. He always keeps smiling. मुझे खेद है कि मैं लेट हो गया। I'm sorry for being late. I'm sorry for being late. वह कह रहा था कि वह माफी मांगना चाहता है। He said he wanted to apologize. He said he wanted to apologize. मुझे नहीं पता कि वह कहाँ गया। I don't know where he went. I don't know where he went. मेरी गाड़ी स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही। My car is not starting. My car is not starting. मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है। I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. मैं वहां कभी नहीं गया। I have never been there. I have never been there. तुम कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? सड़क पार करते समय सावधान रहो। Be careful while crossing the road. Be careful while crossing the road. इसे साफ कर दो। Clean this. Clean this. मैंने उससे कुछ नहीं मांगा। I didn't ask him for anything. I didn't ask him for anything. मेरी बहन बहुत समझदार है। My sister is very wise. My sister is very wise. मुझे यह समझाओ. Explain this to me. Explain this to me. यह रास्ता जाम है. This road is congested. This road is congested. कुछ खास नहीं, बस थक गया हूं. Nothing much, just tired. Nothing much, just tired. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. वह बहुत हंसमुख है. He is very cheerful. He is very cheerful. मैं ठीक हूं, धन्यवाद. I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. हर किसी की अपनी राय होती है. Everyone has their own opinion. Everyone has their own opinion. उसने अपनी गलती नहीं मानी. He didn't admit his mistake. He didn't admit his mistake. उसकी आंखें नीली हैं. Her eyes are blue. Her eyes are blue. यह कितने बजे शुरू होगा? At what time will it start? At what time will it start? मैं रोज योग करता हूं. I do yoga every day. I do yoga every day. धन्यवाद, आपने मेरी मदद की. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me. कोई बात नहीं. No problem. No problem. क्या तुम जानते हो कि वह कौन है? Do you know who he is? Do you know who he is? जब तक वह आएगा हम निकल चुकेंगे. जब तक वह आएगा हम निकल चुके होंगे. By the time he arrives, we will have left. By the time he arrives, we will have left. क्या उसने मुझसे कुछ पूछा? Did he ask me anything? Did he ask me anything? यह मेरी पसंदीदा फिल्म है. This is my favorite movie. This is my favorite movie. यह ड्रेस बहुत सुंदर है. This dress is very beautiful. This dress is very beautiful. आपको भी शुभकामनाएं. Best wishes to you too. Best wishes to you too. क्या आप मुझे पहचानते हैं? Do you recognize me? Do you recognize me? तुम्हारा कमरा बहुत साफ है. Your room is very clean. Your room is very clean. उसने क्या कहा था? What did he say? What did he say? मेरा मानना है कि मेहनत रंग लाती है. I believe hard work pays off. I believe hard work pays off. यह सबसे अच्छा विकल्प है. This is the best option. This is the best option. तुम्हें कौन सी भाषा आती है? Which language do you know? Which language do you know? तुम्हारा विचार बहुत रोचक है। Your idea is very interesting. Your idea is very interesting. वह बहुत सोच समझकर बोलता है। He speaks very thoughtfully. He speaks very thoughtfully. क्या तुमने खाना खा लिया? Did you eat food? Did you eat food? यह विषय थोड़ा जटिल है। This topic is a bit complex. This topic is a bit complex. वह परीक्षा में पास नहीं हुआ। He did not pass the exam. He didn't pass the exam. मैंने तुम्हारा पत्र पढ़ लिया। I have read your letter. I have read your letter. यह इतना आसान नहीं है। It's not that easy. It's not that easy. अगर तुम जल्दी उठो तो दिन अच्छा गुजरता है। If you wake up early, the day goes well. If you wake up early, the day goes well. वह अभी तक नहीं लौटा। He hasn't returned yet. He hasn't returned yet. जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ। Get ready quickly. Get ready quickly. मुझे थोड़ी देर लगेगी। I'll take some time. I'll take some time. कृपया ध्यान दें। Please pay attention. Please pay attention. मैं कभी-कभी बहुत सोचता हूँ। I overthink sometimes. I overthink sometimes. यह आपका बहुत बड़प्पन है। That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you. हमें अब क्या करना चाहिए? What should we do now? What should we do now? मैं पूरी तरह सहमत हूँ। I completely agree. I completely agree. क्या सब कुछ ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? हाँ, अगर तुम फुर्सत में हो। Yes, if you are free. Yes, if you are free. क्या तुम मुझे स्टेशन तक छोड़ सकते हो? Can you drop me at the station? Can you drop me at the station? शुभकामनाएं। Best wishes. Best wishes. मुझे यह बहुत अच्छा लगा। I really liked it. I really liked it. क्या आप दोबारा बता सकते हैं? Can you say that again? Can you say that again? फिर मिलते हैं। See you later. See you later.